Quinoa has gained widespread popularity as a nutritious whole grain, touted for its abundance of fiber, antioxidants, and various essential nutrients. Often referred to as the ultimate super grain, its versatility in cooking and fluffy texture make it a convenient addition to any meal. If you're curious about the health advantages of incorporating quinoa into your diet, stay tuned. A 2022 study published in the journal Nutrients highlights the abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, amino acids, and protein in quinoa. Some experts even suggest that quinoa could play a pivotal role in addressing the global malnutrition crisis. Quinoa serves as an excellent plant-based protein source and is packed with dietary fiber, which can promote digestive health and contribute to feelings of fullness. Additionally, quinoa is rich in essential nutrients such as manganese, folate, zinc, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B1. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here are the following advantages of incorporating quinoa into your diet. Number 1, potential anti-cancer properties. Research from a 2021 study in Food Frontiers indicates that bioactive compounds found in quinoa, such as phenolic compounds, polysaccharides, and saponins, could possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While in vitro studies suggest these components may safeguard cellular health and potentially prevent certain cancers, further research in humans is necessary for confirmation. Number 2, anti-inflammatory effects. Quinoa contains various antioxidant compounds, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which may mitigate oxidative damage to cells and reduce inflammation, as suggested by a 2019 analysis in Food Science and Nutrition. Number 3, blood sugar regulation. A small-scale 2022 study in Nutrients demonstrated that older participants with elevated blood glucose levels who consumed quinoa for 4 weeks experienced a significant reduction in glucose levels and slight weight loss. This suggests that replacing other complex carbohydrates with quinoa may serve as a preventative measure against type 2 diabetes. Number 4, improved digestion. Given its high fiber content, quinoa can promote healthy digestion and potentially enhance the growth of potential bacteria in the gut microbiome. Number 5, cholesterol management. Individuals at risk of cardiovascular diseases may benefit from including quinoa in their diets, as its fiber content may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, the presence of omega-3 fatty acids in quinoa may further contribute to cardiovascular health. Number 6, celiac disease compatibility. For individuals adhering to a gluten-free diet due to celiac disease or gluten intolerance, quinoa offers a suitable alternative to gluten-containing grains. Quinoa seeds contain a gluten-free protein with ample amino acids, and the malting process can enhance nutrient absorption, facilitating easier digestion. Number 7, anemia prevention. Quinoa's iron content makes it a valuable dietary component, particularly for individuals with iron deficiencies or those following vegan or vegetarian diets. Consuming iron-rich foods like quinoa can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and its associated symptoms. How to cook quinoa. Cooking quinoa is a straightforward process. The first thing you want to do is rinse the quinoa to remove that bitter coating. Then combine it with water or broth and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the liquid is absorbed and the grains are tender, typically about 15 minutes. Allow the quinoa to stand for 10 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.